Hi, I'm Shella from Redox Chemical Industries. So here's the question from a Japanese restaurant with more than 10 branches. Meron bang paraan na makakatanggal ng kasing laki ng basketball na bola ang sebo na bara sa sink nila? Yes, may paraan para makatanggal ng sebo na kasing laki ng basketball or kasing laki pa siya ng court ng basketball. So, ganyan din yung dating nangyari sa mga previous kong client, like si Microtel, and then si Sumo Sam, and then may PTT, catering, and yung kanilang sink doon. So, nag-undergo sila ng 3 months program ng treatment yung sa wastewater nila. So, ang nangyayari is yung oil and greases nila is kailangan i-subject for bacteria. Bacteria feeding siya. So, after nun, madidissolve na nun yung sebo dahil yung bacteria, ang kanyang food ay yung sebo. And then afterwards, to verify the oil and grease, pwede silang magpa-check sa LLDA at saka DNR accredited for testing. And then makikita nila yung oil and grease parameters nila. So, thank you.